What's up guys, this is Tech here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rangeman GW-9400. So this is the user manual inside, and then you get the international warranty information card. So I'll just set that aside, and then you get the international warranty card, which is for 1 year international warranty, and then the 2 years national warranty card. And then if we open this, we get to the watch box itself. It says G-Shock since 1983, shock resist, water resist 20 bar on it. Now let's open this. And inside we can finally see the watch. I'll just take this out. There. So first of all, I really like the buttons on this watch. They're checkered and then they have this brilliant metal finish on it. It feels very tactile to the touch, and they're very tough, and they expose screws all around. It says reverse, forward, mode, and adjust on the bezel. And then if we open the strap, we can see the back, which has information such as water resist, the model number, Rangeman, etc., etc. on it. And then it says G-Shock on the metal buckle. And then it says Casio, Thailand over here. And then here's the battery level indicator. It says L, M, and H. And the solar panel is around the display because it's obviously a solar powered watch. It says tough solar on the band to prove that. And on the other side of the band it says triple sensor. What I really like about this watch is the auto light function. If you tilt the watch towards you at a 45-degree angle, the light turns on by itself. Or alternatively, you can press the button. What I also like is if you're in the home time mode and press the forward button, the stopwatch starts. So it's very practical. What I also like is if you hold the mode button for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, it goes back to the home time. So let's cycle through the modes on this watch. A total of 12 modes on this watch. First is the world time mode. So it shows a city, and then there's a stopwatch mode, and then there's a timer mode, and then there's the alarm mode. You can set a total of 5 daily alarms, and then there's a sunrise and sunset mode. And then there's a recall mode. This basically saves the information such as ascent, descent, and then recall, then the maximum altitude and minimum altitude, etc. And then there's a receiving mode. If you want to calibrate your watch on multiband 6, you can just head here and then calibrate it. And then finally, this is a triple sensor watch, and the sensor is in the side over here. So the last 3 modes are the altitude mode, which is very accurate because even if I move slightly, it changes like very rapidly. And then there's the compass mode, and then there's the barometer mode, which shows the temperature and the pressure. So overall, the Rangeman is a very tough, practical, and feature-packed watch, which will last for a very long time.